A sub. A sub is a ship. A sub goes underwater. A sub has a shell. Water fills the shell. The sub goes down. Air fills the shell. The water is let out. The sub goes up. Get a toy sub. Set it in your tub. Get it to go under the water. The word families for that story are sub, tub, rub, cub, hub, pub, nub, dub, sub, rub. Let, get, set, bet, wet, jet, met, pet, net, get. In, fin, tin, sin, pin, win, bin, kin, fin, pin.